Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Yes, talking about the Cam Link from Elgato. Yes, also I'm doing a quick unboxing, quick review of this, and also the cables that you will need for most cameras. Let's get to it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Yes, I'm doing a quick unboxing and a quick look at this Elgato Cam Link 4K. Just got this in the mail. Online there's a ton of different options for card capturing or video capturing cards like this here, and they range from $20, and this was actually on sale, believe it or not, for 99 bucks, which is a great deal. Usually they're like 130 to 150. I just happened to catch it at the right time. I'll leave a link down below as an affiliate link to link this product. And also I did need an HDMI mini to HDMI regular cable to hook up to my camera, and most cameras probably will have that configuration. I'll leave a link for both of these things. So let's just take a quick look at this unboxing. And you know, like I said, there's a million of them out there in different versions and less expensive, but I wanted to get something that was, I guess, decent. You know, I've heard some different issues, some different product issues with the Elgato, but we'll see on my own. This is Mac and PC compatible, just so you know, and 4K, 30 frames per second is its max with 4K. Okay, so what it comes with is the Cam Link actual capture card itself, which is amazing. I mean, years ago, capture cards would be ginormous, so this is really amazing technology. Comes with a little sticker, a little manual, but you don't need to know a lot of information. It's pretty much plug and play with this type of thing here, made out of plastic. As you can see here, it has a full-size HDMI on this side, and it does come with a card cover, so you just take that off. It does come with an extension cord, and they always recommend, and everybody I see online seems to recommend using this cord. The reason why is because this does get hot. So you want to just keep it away from the computer and try to keep it well vented so it won't overheat, because when they overheat, they burn out and how that goes. So that's not a good thing. So basically all you have to do is basically plug it into here. You plug and play into your computer, and then you plug this into any source that you have, and basically it'll play at OBS. It'll play. You can stream live on YouTube. It just works, and that's really what it's about. If it just works, in my book, it's awesome. If you get a decent quality, you pay a little bit more money, and I think Elgato will back it up. If there's some issues, I think they will handle it. So you know, I guess that's kind of the rule of thumb. You stand with a bigger company, and you'll have a better chance of reconciliation, let's call it. So you plug this into your computer, real simple. You plug in your source. Now on your computer, on your camera, I'm using the Canon Vixia HFR 800 for a camera. And I'll show you that in 1 second. I'll do a cutaway, and then the cord just plugs into that, and this plugs into the system, and pretty much just works. So let's just hook it right up. If you guys have any questions or any comments, I'll leave down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. Like I said, I'll leave some affiliate links for this product here. It's a great deal. All right, let's go. And to show you the Elgato Cam Link, it's a 4K external camera capture card. As you can see here, it is on Amazon. This is an affiliate link I'm going to leave down below. You can see it is on sale right now. So regular price is $129. It's on sale for $99.99, which is a great deal. So this says 1080p at 60 and 4K at 30 frames per second, which is great. You do need, it is USB 3 compatible, so you have to have a USB 3 port to actually use this card. So just make sure you know that up front. All right, and I'll show you the camera that I'm using, and I'll give you a quick shot of that. And the camera that I'm using is a Canon Vixia HFR 800. It's no longer available brand new. There are some used ones on that are currently on. I paid like $200 for this camera a few years back. I've been using it here and there. I use it also now on my GoPro for most of my footage, just so you know. Great camera, so I'm hooking this up to this camera here and directly bringing the source right into OBS. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get to that cutaway. Let's go. Okay, so you can see here, this is my little streaming setup that I have for my camera. I have a nice Rogue, I use a nice boom microphone here to pick up the audio when I'm doing some either production work, or if I'm doing some reviews down here below. I can use a second camera. Here's my laptop here, and there's my main computer over here. So basically right here, you can see here, it has an HDMI. Okay, and that's what you really want to use. This does support clean HDMI, so make sure your camera does support clean HDMI, very important. And here's the cable here. And we're just going to hook up the HDMI, does that, and this just plugs right in here. Let's do that. And that plugged in nice and easy. I already have it set up as a power supply that came with the camera, so that's already hooked up already. And I'm going to plug this into the Elgato. Okay, so you can see here I do have a bridge set up on my network here, because I have a lot of things plugged in, and it does work with that bridge. I did check it beforehand, make sure, so it does work with the bridge. I just turn on one of the power banks on the bridge. I'll leave a link for this too as well. This is really awesome. And this will pretty much just plug in the USB, and then we take a Cam Link, okay, and we just take at the other end of the HDMI cable and plug it in just like that there. Super easy, and it just sits loose like this here. That way it doesn't jump around. It keeps it cool, and it's not connected to the computer, and that's really great about that. So that's connected, and now we're just gonna turn the camera on. Okay, so we're back at the camera. So all you have to do is turn the camera on to the on-off button here, and we just turn that on. And the camera is gonna go to a boot up section, just like you see here. And you can see we have so all this information you see here, this is all. So when you see all this information here, you don't want this to be broadcast. You want it to have a clean HDMI out. So you go into the settings. Every camera is different. You can Google it. Pretty much anyone will show you all the different options for every different camera. And not every camera is compatible. So you have to make sure the camera is compatible with that as well. So that's important. So that's how that works. So you can actually stream the audio and the video through the HDMI cable into the Cam Link and into OBS, into anything you want. So it's a real simple, clean setup here. You can broadcast right here. As you can see my hand right here. You can do your cutaways. You can talk right here. Here's your audio. Here's your microphone. And it's just one clean stream. Very simple, very easy. Then you can see as soon as I power up the camera, the Elgato lights up. That means it's powered up. So let's just take the signal, take a look at that real quick, and just to see how it looks on our screen. Okay guys, I just want to give you a quick example how to set up a new video source if you're using OBS. So the best way to do it is hit the plus sign. This is really easy to do, especially if you haven't upgraded to the new version of OBS. It definitely makes it streamlined, much easier to use. So you want to go to Video Capture Device, click on Video Capture Device, and you can name this whatever you want. So we'll just leave it the way it is. So hit OK, and you're going to see a pop-up here. So what device do you want to add? So now since the Cam Link is connected, it's going to see that. So Cam Link 4K, we're going to hit OK. We're going to go with the 1080 signal. We're going to hit that as well. And if you had a 4K camera, you can just choose that, and bam, there is the signal. It's that simple to hook up this Cam Link to OBS. Super simple. All right, guys, just wanted to give you that example right there. I hope you learned how to hook up the OBS. Really cool. All right, let's go. This is a live feed right now, and I'll show you this is my hand. You can see that's a live feed. So now we can use that as a secondary image if you want to. And if you want to do a headshot, you can just take that product and put it over here, and you can do your main shot over here with your face. You can do that as well. So I just wanted to show you how simple, how easy it is to do. And this is actually being recorded on my professional audio, my Audio Technica. But also you can configure it to work with the Cam Link as well. So I just added a new video source, as you can see here. Double click on that. It says Cam Link 4K. That takes that audio device, so that'll take in the audio from that. And this is the video capture right here. That's on and off. You can see that. That's where the video comes from, and then it just works well. This is where you control all your different audios. You can just set it up any way you want to. So simple, so easy to use. It's plug and play. This is what you need. A lot of companies are doing it wrong. So this is the simplest and easiest, most efficient way to bring in your video signal, either 4K. This camera here doesn't do 4K. This is just a 1080p camera basically, but it's fine for what I'm doing. You can see the picture's image is clean and clear, and that's the way it works. Okay, didn't want to make this too long. Just wanted to give you just an example how this works. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. Let me know what you think about this review. Let me know if you love this product or not. Love to know. Also leave a like, a thumbs up. It'd be great. That's help support my channel. I do all types of reviews, as you know if you do follow me. I do all types of reviews from A to Z, so real no specific niche, but I just try to bring value and education to you to show you what I'm doing. So maybe if you're making trying to make a decision, this can help you. You know, so I was debating the $20 one or the $100 one, and I always, my firm believer, buy the most expensive one that you can afford at that time. So if it's 20, spend 20. If it's 50, spend 50. I could spend 100 because this is something I've been just saving up for a while, and it's on sale right now for like 99 bucks, which is unheard of for this product. So that's a great deal. So check out the links down below, our affiliate links. And if I brought you some value, consider supporting my channel with a super thanks. It does help me out quite a bit. All right, guys, and I'll see you at the next, yes, there's my finger, review.